How to report someone on Roblox. Here's how you can do it using your iPhone or Android device. First, open the Roblox app and make sure you're signed into your account. Next, find the player you want to report. You can either open your friends list or tap the search icon at the top of the screen and search for their username. Once you find the player, tap on their profile to open it. Now, tap the three dots from the menu that appears, select Report. Next, choose the reason why you're reporting the player. Roblox provides several options, such as bullying or harassment, inappropriate content, scamming, cheating, spam, or other policy violations. Select the reason that best matches the issue. If there's a comment box available, briefly explain what happened. Providing accurate information can help Roblox review your report more effectively. Once you're done, tap Submit or Continue to send your report. Then tap Send. After your report is submitted, Roblox will review it according to their community standards. For privacy reasons, Roblox usually doesn't share the outcome of the investigation. And that's it. That's how you can report someone on Roblox. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Roblox tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.